My people, see Chioma Adeleke twin sister. It's like na me and you remain for this hairstyle. Oh, my people no be small thing. Now, who dey check am? My people see beauty now. This hairstyle fit her the most like Chioma. Almost see beauty, my people. Who no like better thing? She's beautiful.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
I got the viral Chioma wig that she wore on her wedding day to Davido Adeleke, and this is the wig. I got it on Temu. I am going to be installing this just to see how it looks on me because it looks superbly, spectacularly fabulous on her. This is the wig, so we are going to be trying it on today. First of all, we are going to. This is the bag that it came in, and this is the bag all the Temu wigs that I got so far comes in. And in here we have this wig cap, this light brown wig cap, 2-in-1, regular. Then the wig. The wig has about, let's see, it has about 3 combs. Let me show you the combs. It has about 3 combs in it for extra security, and it also comes with a strap for more security so that it can fit very, very close and snug to your hair. This is a glueless closure, and it's also 180% density, 5 centimeters, I believe. Let's get to the trying on of the wig. I am also filming this review with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we are presently using the back camera in 1080p. This is presently 4K quality on the iPhone 14 Pro, and I am going to be using the time-lapse feature to install the wig. And once I'm done installing it, I'm going to give you a 360 reveal using the slow motion on the phone. Let's go.
This particular Pixie cut wig has been calling me for a while now. I have a particular fondness for Pixie cut wigs. I actually have another black Pixie cut wig that is somewhat similar to this. It's just that it is straight while this one is curly. When this wig went viral, obviously on the wedding day of David and Chioma, I have been fighting the temptation, trying to resist the temptation to get the wig. But every single time I go into different online stores where I buy my things, like if you go shopping on Jumia, Temu, those type of things, the face you would see promoting that particular wig will be Chioma's face. Very serious legal issues behind that, but that's not what we are talking about in this video. When I was doing my research, at least for B-rolls concerning this video, I found out that the person that actually made this wig popular in the first place was Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage is another personality that just looks absolutely spectacular in this wig. I was like, there is no way I am making this video without giving her a shout out for looking beyond amazing. But we are going to be talking about how this wig looks on me in this video. Granted, when I was styling this wig, I went in with some water that had some leave-in conditioner in it, and then my curl keeper flexi brush. I brushed out the wig, just to make the whole styling process easy for me. Some of the curls were brushed out, but it still maintained its curly nature. And to achieve the optimal finger wave look that Chioma and Tiwa are rocking in these pictures, I advise you go in with some mousse or a hair care product that has some type of hold then you take your time to put finger waves or finger curls in the wig. This is 100% human hair, and it can really hold a curl if you put it in there and also put something that can give it some hold as well. Initially when it came with the finger waves, but like I said, took some water that had some leave-in conditioner in it, then brushed it out, and this is what it is giving right now. And to give a visual example of what I mean by you going in and putting the finger waves yourself, maybe if the curls loosen up a bit, this young lady right here is a perfect visual example. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up, share if you care, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. On my channel, I basically do things that are very near and dear to my heart. This includes beauty, lifestyle, natural hair growth, and travel. So if you're interested in content like that, do well to subscribe to your girl. Love you and choose.